Spending time outdoors is always better with the right gear. I have listed the best 20 camping gadgets that can make your trips easier and more enjoyable. From useful tools to smart gadgets, these items can help with cooking, staying comfortable, and staying safe. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Lafise Waterproof Lighter. Retractable 2.13-inch long hose equipped with a built-in 2.13-inch retractable arc hose, this waterproof lighter allows you to extend and adjust the ignition angle for hard-to-reach spots. 3 modes: flashlight featuring a bottom flashlight with strong light, low light, and strobe modes. It ensures visibility during daily use or emergencies. USB lighter with power indicator rechargeable via Type-C. It includes a power indicator to alert you when charging is needed, preventing unexpected battery depletion. Nightcap backpacking chair. Lightweight and compact, weighing just 2.2 pounds, this small folding chair is easily portable, fitting into or attaching to a backpack for comfortable rest anywhere. Stable and sturdy despite its lightness, it supports up to 330 pounds, offering reliable stability. Aerospace-grade aluminum, constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy 7075 and 600D Oxford fabric, it balances durability with minimal weight. Anti-slip feet. For anti-slip feet, enhance stability on flat, solid ground, though caution is advised on softer surfaces. Versatile comfort for every occasion, ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, concerts, and more. It suits any outdoor adventure requiring light travel without bulk. AOFAR Military Compass. Durable and compact, crafted from durable military metal, this compass features a thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule, ensuring high accuracy and waterproof performance in all weather conditions. Unique design: it includes a luminous magnetic arrow and dial, aiming line, magnifier viewer, tripod connection, reading eyepiece, heavy-duty zinc die-cast, and slope chart for versatile use. Multifunction with a floating compass dial featuring a 360-degree scale, adjustable prism lens, and waterproof, shakeproof construction. It's suitable for various outdoor activities. Suitable activities: perfect for camping, hiking, adventure, positioning, and mapping. This compass is an essential tool for navigation enthusiasts. Bilibal Camping Table. Portable and ultralight, this aluminum camping table can be rolled up and folded, weighing only 9 pounds. Adapt to uneven ground, featuring 4 individually adjustable legs. It maintains a level tabletop on uneven surfaces, with a buckle design for tool-free adjustments. Sturdy and stable, made of premium aluminum alloy with anti-rust and anti-corrosion treatments. Its X-type structure and non-slip foot covers enhance stability. Easy to install, quick assembly and leg adjustments allow for immediate use, providing convenience for outdoor activities. Elegia Self-Inflating Sleeping Pad. Built-in electric pump for effortless storage. Featuring a built-in electric pump, this self-inflating sleeping pad offers one-touch inflation and deflation, with vacuum compression storage to save space. High-tech memory foam sleeping pad. Utilizing 26D density high-tech memory foam, it evenly distributes weight and relieves body pressure, ensuring exceptional softness and support. Newly upgraded ultra-thick camping pad, measuring 78x51 x 3.1 inch. When inflated, it supports up to 800 pounds without air leakage, keeping you comfortably elevated from the ground. Suitable for all seasons with an R value of 9.5, it provides superb insulation, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. Glockescent Survival Camping Lantern. Survival level design, designed for extreme conditions, this camping lantern is IP68 waterproof, withstands 40-inch drops, offers anti-fog mode for visibility in thick fog, and includes an SOS mode for emergencies. Ultra bright 1200 lumens and 5 brightness levels, with 106 LEDs providing 360-degree illumination. It delivers up to 1200 lumens, with 5 brightness settings to suit various needs. 3 light modes and SOS mode offers 3000K, 4000K, 6000K light modes for different scenarios, plus an SOS mode for signaling in danger. Begale Camping Towel. Portable travel towel case. This microfiber towel comes with a soft, zippered EVA case for protection and easy transport. Skin-friendly, made from 200 GSM super soft microfiber, it feels gentle on the skin, resists wrinkles, and maintains color and freshness. Fast drying and super absorbent, capable of absorbing 4 times its weight in water and drying up to 10 times faster than traditional cotton towels. Compact and lightweight, weighing 70% less than standard cotton towels and packing down small, it's ideal for travel and outdoor activities. EF EcoFlow Portable Power Station. Fuel up 80% in only 43 minutes. This portable power station combines up to 1000 watt solar input with AC for rapid charging, reaching 80% in just 43 minutes. 10-year long-lasting LFP battery. Utilizing LFP battery chemistry, it offers 3000 cycles before reducing to 80% capacity, ensuring a decade of reliable use. Expandable capacity from 2 to 6 kWh with options to triple its capacity using extra solar batteries. It adapts to varying energy needs. Power 99% of your household devices. Featuring 15 outlets and supporting up to 2400 watt, it can run almost any home appliance. Sapsicel Camping Shower Bag. Solar heated bag constructed from durable materials. This camping shower bag heats water to 113 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 hours using sunlight, eliminating the need for electricity. Upgraded shower head equipped with an easy-to-use on/off switch, it allows for adjustable water flow intensity for a customized shower experience. Upgraded silicone hose. The 39-inch silicone hose resists tangling, ensuring a smooth water flow, and the sturdy handle facilitates hanging at your preferred height. High capacity, holding up to 5 gallons, it provides enough water for 2 to 3 showers, with a large inlet for easy filling and a gentle, consistent water flow. NatureNova Personal Water Filter Straw. This personal water filter straw features a 4-step filtration system, including a hollow fiber membrane that removes up to 99.999999% of impurities from water. The proof is in the filter. Additional layers like PP cotton and activated carbon eliminate small particles and improve taste, ensuring clean drinking water. Extra trust in every drop. Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. Crafted from military-grade, tear-resistant PET mylar, this 2-person emergency shelter reflects 90% of body heat, ensuring warmth and dryness in harsh winter conditions. Weighing only 8.7 ounce, it packs into a compact 5.25 x 3.25 inch sack, adding minimal weight to your gear. Versatile setup options allow quick assembly between trees or as a wrap in treeless areas. Enhanced with a 120 decibel emergency whistle and a 550 pounds Paris-inch drawstring, this reliable survival gear is indispensable for any outdoor adventure. Schreit Bedrock Camp Axe. Featuring a 3.6-inch blade and an overall length of 11.1 inches, this camp axe weighs 1 pound 5.9 ounce. Constructed with a 3CR13 Movi steel axe blade, it ensures durability and strength. The overmold handle provides a secure grip, enhancing user confidence during use. For convenient carry, it comes with a 1680D polyester sheath and includes a thermoplastic belt sheath. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this axe is a dependable tool for various outdoor tasks. G4 Free Camping Hammock. Equipped with a durable, high-density polyester net, this hammock offers protection in harsh environments while providing a clear view of the starry night sky. The built-in bungee shock cord keeps the net away from your face, ensuring a spacious and comfortable experience. Portable and versatile, it includes a rainfly top to shield against inclement weather, making it suitable for both sunny and rainy days. The comprehensive set comprises the hammock with mosquito net, bungee cord, tree straps, carabiners, rainfly, stakes, and guy lines, all weighing only 2.1 pounds and 1.34 pounds respectively. Crafted from 210T nylon spun material with triple stitching, it promises tear resistance and comfort, ensuring easy setup and packing for backpackers and campers. Sun Ninja Beach Tent. Designed for versatility, this sun shelter is perfect for beach relaxation, lakeside fishing, or family outings at the park. Crafted with advanced water-resistant fabric offering UPF 50+ sun coverage, it effectively blocks harmful UV rays, reducing sunburn and glare for both kids and adults. Quick and easy to set up, it includes stability poles and anchors, allowing use over sandy beaches, grassy areas, or rocky camping spots. For enhanced portability, it comes with a convenient travel bag, ensuring you can take it wherever your adventures lead. One Tigris Stella for Season Camping Tent. Featuring a 20D nylon outer fabric with a single-layer silicone coating, this camping tent is both sturdy and lightweight, weighing only 4.4 pound or 2 kilogram. With a 3000 mm waterproof rating, it is suitable for all weather conditions, and the removable blackout outer tent offers flexibility. The four-season design includes a quality mesh inner tent for airflow, complemented by a 20D nylon body and 40D nylon tent bottom, ensuring dryness and comfort even in humid conditions. Designed for straightforward setup, it uses flexible poles that cross at the top of the dome and are securely anchored at all 4 corners. 1-length stainless tool bracelet. This 29-in-1 outdoor emergency bracelet incorporates various box wrenches, hex drives, flat and Phillips screwdrivers, an oxygen tank wrench, carbide glass breaker, SIM card pick, cutting hook, socket drive adapter, and bottle opener. Designed for durability, it weighs approximately 9.6 ounces, ensuring strength and resilience. Fully adjustable to fit your wrist, it includes 22mm link ears for watch connection, combining functionality with aesthetics. Ideal for camping, hiking, sailing, biking, and other outdoor activities, it serves as a practical gift for loved ones. Coast Dual Power Headlamp. This headlamp combines 2 powerful beams into one, allowing seamless transition between short and long-range viewing with the twist focus system, eliminating halos or hot spots. Featuring standard light modes and a turbo mode delivering 1200 lumens for critical situations, it offers rechargeable dual power options, compatible with both the included Zithion X rechargeable battery and CR123 battery types. The magnetic and detachable headlamp design allows for versatile use, easily converting to a handheld flashlight with a built-in magnetic base for attachment to metallic surfaces. Specifications include light outputs ranging from 46 to 1200 lumens, beam distances from 31 to 185 meters, and runtimes up to 28 hours on low mode. Tested and rated to ANSI or FL1 standards, it ensures reliability and performance. Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid Medical Kit. Featuring a waterproof inner plastic storage pouch, this first aid kit ensures functionality in any weather conditions. It contains a wide array of medications to treat pain, inflammation, and common allergies. With supplies organized into injury-specific pockets, it enables fast and effective first aid by anyone. Additionally, wide elastic bandages are included to help manage and support fractures and sprains, making it a comprehensive solution for medical emergencies. Zippo Fire Starting Paracord. Providing up to 550 pounds of tensile strength, this 50 feet length paracord is suitable for various camp functions or survival situations. It features a paraffin-coated red fire starting strand that ignites with a spark, capable of starting up to 600 fires, with each inch of cord burning for approximately 30 seconds. A carabiner is included for convenient hanging of camping accessories, ensuring they are easily accessible when needed. ACR Bivy Stick Satellite Communicator. Offering 100% global Iridium satellite coverage, this device enables two-way SMS text messaging, email, GPS tracking, maps and navigation, emergency SOS, weather reports, and location sharing. Compatible with iOS and Android apps, it requires a subscription with various monthly and annual plans available globally. In emergencies, the SOS feature provides round-the-clock monitoring, allowing communication with emergency services and sharing of GPS location. Unlimited check-in messages and GPS location sharing keep loved ones informed of your whereabouts. With these 20 coolest outdoor camping gear and gadgets, your next adventure is guaranteed to be more comfortable, efficient, and packed with fun. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend getaway or an extended wilderness expedition, these must-have tools will help you stay prepared and make the most of your time outdoors. To grab the best deals on all the gear featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow outdoor enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.